phpMyAdmin 101, How to get started it fast. phpMyAdmin is a free and open source web-based application designed to handle the administration of MySQL and MariaDB database management systems. It provides a graphical user interface, GUI, that allows users to interact with their databases using a web browser rather than a command line interface. Here are the key details about phpMyAdmin. 1. Database management *. phpMyAdmin is primarily used for managing MySQL and MariaDB databases. Users can create, modify, and delete databases, as well as perform various database operations. 2. User interface *. The application has an intuitive and user-friendly web-based interface. It allows users to perform database operations without needing to use complex command line commands. 3. Tables and data management *. Users can create, modify, and delete database tables using phpMyAdmin. It provides an interface to add, edit, and delete data records within tables. 4. SQL query execution *. phpMyAdmin enables users to execute SQL queries directly from the web interface. This is useful for advanced users who prefer writing custom SQL statements for database operations. 5. Database import and export *. The tool facilitates of databases, making it easy to move data between servers or create backups. It supports various formats for importing and exporting, including SQL, CSV, and others. 6. Server status and monitoring *. Users can view the status of their MySQL or MariaDB servers, including information about server variables, processes, and system usage. 7. User and privilege management *. phpMyAdmin allows administrators to manage database users and their privileges. This includes creating new users, assigning privileges, and revoking access. 8. Relation view *. For databases with relationships between tables, phpMyAdmin provides a visual representation of these relationships. This makes it easier to understand and manage complex database structures. 9. Index management *. Users can create and manage indexes on database tables, which can improve query performance. 10. Server and database configuration *. phpMyAdmin provides access to server and database configuration settings. Administrators can adjust settings to optimize performance and security. 11. Themes and customization *. Users can customize the look and feel of phpMyAdmin through themes. This allows for a personalized experience. 12. Multi-language support *. phpMyAdmin supports multiple languages, making it accessible to users around the world. 13. Security features *. The application includes security features such as the ability to set up two-factor authentication, SSL encryption, and more to enhance the protection of database information. 14. Open source and community-driven *. Being open source, phpMyAdmin is actively maintained and improved by a community of developers. Users can contribute to its development or seek assistance from the community. Overall, phpMyAdmin simplifies the administration of MySQL and MariaDB databases, making it a valuable tool for developers, database administrators, and anyone working with these database management systems.